Afternoon, everybody. Barry Potts here from MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today we have the pleasure of checking out this 2023 Cruisers Yachts 42 Cantius. Come aboard, let's check it out. All right, back here on the swim platform. This is a hydraulic swim platform that lowers down in the water. You actually have controls right here on a remote, which makes it nice and easy. And this staircase actually assembles itself as it goes down in the water. Here on the swim platform, we also have an electric Kenyan grill and a refrigerator for your drinks, so you don't have to go far when you're in the water. Of course, you have your cable master, which retracts and expands as you need it. Freshwater shower, and just a really awesome place to hang out with your family and friends. And you can choose hang out here at the dock or go in the water when you're at anchor or at the sandbar or something. Standing in the cockpit of the 42 Cantius right here, you'll see how much room you have with this huge L seating here. There's also removable tables that go along with this with the pedestals. You're going to have a removable cooler underneath this seat and storage under all the seats here. Of course, it comes with a really nice cover to keep this all clean when you're not using it. Here we have an ice maker for your cocktails. A lot of switches here for your underwater lights, engine room access lights. This is your engine room access here. And of course, this is where you're really going to want to walk up to the bow, step through this way. And then of course, stepping into the salon here, you have this really beautiful heavy-duty sliding door here. And this does have the shade package as well, so you have that privacy when you want it, or beautiful open light when you want that. The 42 Cantius is a really well-balanced salon here. With a galley up design, you have your refrigerator, electric stovetop, microwave, sink, and a really nice place to sit down with your family, eat your meals, hang out, entertain guests. You have a television here as well, and this really comfortable chase lounge, which you're going to get a lot of sun through all the natural light here, and of course, the opening sunroof here as well. One of the great things about the 42 Cantius is the visibility while maneuvering the boat. Great line of sight through the windshield and also handling around the dock. You're going to see the pilings very well. Great communication with the crew. You have the windows open here, back here as well. And of course, the helm is really well appointed with 2 Garmin screens. You're going to get all your Volvo data through there, as well as your charts, sonar, radar, Garmin VHF radio. You have your binnacle here with your Volvo controls, and of course joystick docking, which is a really great feature of the pods you're going to find on this boat and some of the other cruiser lines as well. The 42 features a full beam master suite with beautiful windows on both sides. You're going to have a settee in here with a television as well, so even if you're not laying in bed, you can relax and watch TV. You'll also have a central vac system you'll find in all the staterooms here, and most importantly, you have private access to the day head here as well. The day head on this boat also provides private access to the master suite, but most importantly, centrally located in the boat, it's easy to get to for everybody on board. It features a private walk-in shower and also an electric yacht-style toilet. Really well-lit vanity with medicine cabinet, mirrors. The VIP stateroom on the 42 Cantius, located in the bow, features really nice windows, port and starboard, and also a porta light above your head, allowing in natural light. Everything also features privacy blinds as well. Closets on each side, plenty of storage drawers underneath the bed, a television, and actually your own private head here located on the port side. This also has a stand-up shower and a really well-lit vanity with medicine cabinet. Coming forward on the bow here of the 42 Cantius, we have these really nice loungers here. They lay flat or angled up, whatever's more comfortable for you. The table folds down out of the way. And we also have really great access and storage here for the poles for our sunshade. There's 2 poles here and 2 poles forward, which covers this whole area if you don't want all that sun. On the bow, you also have access to your anchor windlass and your foot controls for the windlass here as well, if you don't want to control it from the helm. All right, guys, pleasure having you aboard today, the 42 Cantius, located here in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Barry Potts. Come on down and check this boat out for yourself. You really got to see it to believe it.